everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. Today is Saturday, December the 16th of 2023, and I'm coming at you guys with a Kroger ad preview for the sale that is going to be beginning on Wednesday, December the 20th through December the 26th, next Tuesday. So this is actually going to be the ad that goes through Christmas. I cannot believe that, wow, this is going to be the ad for Christmas. Like, Christmas is that close. That's crazy. But anyways, guys, going to be going through this ad preview. We got a couple of things to talk about. We have some pretty good Wheel Digital deals, some sales. We're going to be continuing on our current digital coupon event that we have going on. So we're going to be going over all of that fun stuff in this ad preview for today. So without further ado, let's just dive right in. All right, so starting out on the left side here, we have 89 cents a pound for the Kroger Spiral Sliced Ham Limit 2 with additional $25 purchase. And then the Cumberland Gap semi-boneless ham is $1.99 a pound with additional $25 purchase. 25 cents a pound for the sweet potatoes is a very, very good price, so that is a good one. 99 cents each for the pineapples, again, that is a very good one. $7.99 a pound for the bone-in rib roast, and $1.99 a pound for the boneless pork half loin there. We have 2 for $7 for Jimmy Dean sausage or the Kroger brand bacon. We have 2 for $5 for the Pillsbury Grands, Crescents, or Cinnamon Rolls. Also includes the Simply Orange Juice and Ocean Spray Juice. Also, we have $1.99 for Nabisco crackers, so the Ritz or the Ritz Cheese Crispers or the Wheat Thins or Triscuits, $1.99 when you buy 3 or more. Then over here we have buy 2, get 3 free on the Coke, Pepsi, or 7-Up. That's actually an even better deal than we have been having, with the exception of we've had Ibotta rebates for the Starry. But other than that, this actually breaks down to like $3.59 per 12-pack, which is a really, really good price. So that is good. $1.99 when you buy 4 or more of the Lay's chips. That's actually going on right now, so you don't have to wait for that. 3 or 5 for Kroger cheese there when you buy 3. It is the 8-ounce bags, though. I mean, that's really not that great of a deal, so I don't know. $4.99 for the Marie Callender's pie. That's pretty the lowest we've seen this year, really. So there's that. And then buy 1, get 1 free on Brownberry bread, Spice Island, or Kroger brand spices. So now let's talk about the weekly digital deals. These deals can be used up to 5 times in one transaction, but keep in mind it's only one transaction, then it is done. So be aware of that. We have $7.99 each for the Kroger Crunchy Butterfly Shrimp there. We have $1.49 for the Palm Wonderful Large Pomegranates. $2.99 for the Laterra Fina Dip. We have $1.49 for Private Selection Pasta or Prego Pasta Sauce. $1.99 a pound for the Heritage Farm Fresh Boneless Chicken Breast. That is a pretty good deal nowadays. Now this one's actually pretty good. $2.49 for the Cuties there for a 3-pound bag. That's a very good price for that. $2.99 for the Doritos or Ruffles Party Size. Then over here is always a good one. $2.99 for the Red Baron Pizza. Those are like $4.98 at Walmart. So it's a really good deal at Kroger. And then the Breyers ice cream is included at $2.99. Also, we have a really good deal on the Kroger frozen potatoes for $1.99. That's a very good price. We have $2.99 for the Kroger butter. It's actually a better deal this week because it's a twin pack for like $5.49. So a little bit better this week. $6.99 for Starbucks and Folgers coffee, and then $9.99 for the big things of Brawny and Cottonelle and the Persil detergent. So a couple of little good deals there. And keep in mind, Wednesday, we might have new coupons, and there could be some unadvertised things as well that can make for better weekly digital deal matchups. So we will for sure check on that on my Wednesday video. All right, so our 5X digital event is continuing. So we do have this going on right now. So I don't think any of the prices are changing based on what I'm seeing here on the ad, which is nice, but that means you can do the deals right now if you want to. So yeah, but it is continuing on into the next week here. Now, the difference between the 5X digital event and the weekly digital deals is that these digital coupons are 5 times in one transaction, but they're actually unlimited use. So it's just a limit of 5 in one transaction. You can literally turn around and do a second transaction and it'll come off 5 more times. So the weekly digital deals, those are 1 transaction up to 5 times, then done. These ones here, for an event like this, a 2-week event, they're unlimited use, just a limit of 5 per transaction. So hopefully that makes sense. We still have some pretty good deals. So like the Philadelphia cream cheese, we have an Ibotta offer for that. The General Mills cereals, we do have an Ibotta offer for that as well for $1 back on 2. Guys, honestly, not a ton of super exciting things here on this page of the ad. So yeah. All right, so let's look over on these pages of the ad. A couple honorable mentions here. Now, something that's kind of hilarious is that they have the Big K, which is the Kroger brand of Pops 3 for $12. It's going to work out to be cheaper to get the name brand, and it's going to be $3.59 a piece. So like, yeah, that's pretty crazy to me. But anyways, there you go. The DiGiorno's are $5.99 when you buy 2. I mean, the Red Baron, if you're not like brand specific, that's literally half the price. So that's a better deal for sure. And they're going to be doing this deal on buy a thing of Velveeta cheese, like the melting cheese. It costs $7.99, but then you're going to get a free thing of Kroger tortilla chips and 2 cans of Rotel for free. So that's a pretty nice deal, actually, if you need the Velveeta. So that's really good. Then they are going to be doing, sorry, I'm like skipping around here. I'm just like cherry picking the best deals. But we have buy one, get one free on the egg rolls there, on some different entrees, wontons, things like that. Buy one, get one free. That's pretty nice. 4 for $10 for Stouffer's or Lean Cuisine entrees. We had those cheaper last week when they were 5 for $10. So, not the best. And really, guys, most of this is not the best. Hopefully you were able to, like, done that big Thanksgiving sale at Kroger, stock up on your canned vegetables and broth and things like that, because it just worked out to be a better price then than what we're seeing now, unfortunately. And that's kind of how it goes. But yeah, so there's some stuff over here on the essential grocery pages. Those BOGOs are pretty good, but other than that, kind of just some fluff. So anyways, then the last page here of the ad. I'm kind of shocked to see that they're not doing 4 times the fuel points. I feel like they usually do that around this time of year, but they're not. So they're not doing 4 times the fuel points on gift cards, so that's kind of a bummer there. Now on the front page, it did show 4x fuel points on your Friday purchases. So if you shop on Friday, you'll get 4 times the fuel points, but yeah, just kind of surprised. They normally always do like little extra promos with gift cards. So I don't know. It's kind of weird. But anyways, they're doing that on Friday. So also on this page, the Pepperidge Farm Swirl Bread 2 for $5. That's decent. That's kind of expensive stuff. So that's not the worst deal. But that asparagus, $3.49 a pound. That is crazy. I'm used to asparagus. I remember when it was like 99 cents a pound. So that's like insane. So hopefully if you guys need asparagus, I would check another store. Like, sorry Kroger, but that's expensive. Also here, it looks like we have the Honeycrisp apples for $1.99 a pound. We've seen them cheaper than that before too. But if you need them, I guess it's a sale at least. But yeah, guys, that is our Kroger ad preview, and I think it's pretty decent. We have some pretty good stuff, especially that produce, the pineapple for 99 cents, and the sweet potatoes for 25 cents a pound. That's a great deal. Really liking some of those weekly digital deals as well. I think it's going to be an awesome week at Kroger, so come back Wednesday for my deals video. We'll go through all the awesome matchups and things like that. So anyways, guys, that's all I have. I hope you enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.